I'm Christian Eder, I work for Congatec and I'm the Director for Product Marketing. Of course, it's to recognize objects, that's a very easy task, but to be intelligent. So we have a nice demo here, all based on Intel technology, which brings the intelligence, because otherwise you have to sort components, you have to sort parts. That's one driving force. On the other hand, of course, there's a lot of drive for autonomous vehicles, autonomous robots, AMRs as they are called, and that's a huge market which is growing extremely. Industrial robot market is great, but the mobile intelligent market for mobile moving robots is even much larger, and it's just starting. So big fun to implement Intel technology into those segments. Most robotics companies do have their robot control, so the robot itself does work by itself. But how to add extra functionalities? If you want to have an AI system, a vision system, usually this requires different operating system. It's not, let's say, on a real-time operating system. Then you can mix and merge those things when utilizing a hypervisor. We use the real-time hypervisor, which splits up the hardware into, let's say, multiple systems, you can say. So there's the real-time operating system which operates the robot, and there's another operating system at your choice. In this case it's a standard Linux here, which does the complete image analysis and which also runs the complete AI stuff. And with this you don't have to change your original application, you just add pieces on top of it. Because we have many cores here with the latest Intel Core platforms, and we can separate those cores and then make multiple systems out of it. We call that system consolidation. Of course, it's the amount of cores, it's the performance. We can run even multiple of those robots here with one platform. And it's the power of the graphic engine as well. So the GPU is used here to do all this AI processing, to recognize the objects, and this information is then used to control the robot, to control the arm, to really grab the objects, which are just in a random order here. Of course, we use here in this demo, for example, the OpenVINO to do all this AI application stuff. And the beauty of OpenVINO is you can run it on the CPU, or you can accelerate it just running on a GPU, or if you have other accelerators like FPGA cards or so, you can even boost performance. But even with the integrated graphics, which is great, you can do so much things. That's easy and simple, straightforward implementation, and all based on Intel technology. Of course, the demo here, you see it's random objects here being around, and I can make it. We can play with this guy. Actually, you see how fast the AI is working here. The camera is grabbing that information, and it's all in real time. And you see, it's really very interactive. So co-workers, robotics co-workers are kind of easy to be implemented with a good vision system and AI system, of course. The compute technology is a complicated thing. What we bring extra to the table is the standardization. So we're very active, underactive here in computer modules. The target is to simplify the use of embedded technology, and that's what we do with the computer modules, but also with the software stacks, also with our complete ecosystem to make it easy to compile computer systems. On top of it, we do have the real-time hypervisor, which allows to split the workloads here to real-time and non-real-time in order to, let's say, simplify also the system application and to really structure the applications by itself. You don't have to do everything in one block. You can really split it into nice logical units. Of course, here at the show, that's first thing, but the show is over by tomorrow. And of course, online at congatec.com, you find all that information.